Boom! What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video we're gonna be plastic dipping DJ's So today we're gonna be plastic dipping DJ's Volkswagen Polo, and we're gonna be lowering Haydens A6. Wait, delay, what color you going?
I'm gonna go rose pink.
Yep.
To match my iPhone. Because that's what people do. They on the internet, I googled it last night. I was deciding which color to pick for my rims, and everyone's saying like you match your phone color with your rims. You know what I'm saying? Huh?
But anyways, hello, you going, Hayden?
Oh.
Bro, you can't get
hello, you going?
Hello. Oh, hello.
Yeah, hello, you dropping.
I always said hello. You going?
What the fuck is he talking about?
I was legit like, wait, hello, are you going? I'm like, what the fuck? Oh no, I'll show you.
Cool.
Wait guys, nah, it's gonna be like, so I'm thinking we do this. What do you guys think?
Wow,
Like this.
I reckon it's good, bro.
Yeah.
You reckon you're clear? Nah, you should clear easy.
Yeah, easily, bro.
Easy clear,
like,
bro.
right now, like my car's a monster truck, so like this will easily clear speed humps, bro.
Monster truck. But yeah, so first things first, we're gonna go get some plastic tip from Super Cheap Auto. We're gonna get some food, and then I'll catch you guys then. Alright, we just got to Super Cheap. Let's head in.
What do you mean it's not?
Right here, delay. Right here. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go with the Dupli brand. 2 for 40.
Hey, not because
So
I'm
89.
cheap or anything. Hey, not because I'm cheap.
Yeah, no.
It's because I don't have money.
Yeah.
It's not because I'm cheap.
Yeah. And I don't think we're gonna go for clear coat because I don't even think that even works. With beans, I think this is how you test it. It doesn't work. Alright, delay. Show us what you got, G. Show us what you got.
But I'm trying to look for the copies right now. It's too hot. Let's do it in the car.
I got it. So yeah, we got these for 80 bucks.
What a bargain.
To be honest, I thought it was 20 bucks total, but
It is what it is.
I got pressured. Everyone's looking at me. I don't want to back out last minute, so let's do it. Shut up, bitch. Yeah.
You're the short, bro.
She's shaking it. Look. She's shaking it. That's good.
Oh, Jenny's trying to work out, yeah? Jenny.
I'll get the tools.
Alright guys, we just got back to ZPG headquarters. We finished getting Delay's plastic dip, and we just finished eating that foot-long Subway. And, and now we're about to jack up Delay's car, wash the rims, and then start plastic dipping it. Come on, Anook! Come on, Anook! Oi, what the fuck? What the fuck? Come on, Anook! Oh, look at this bodybuilder! Oh! Get the bread! What the fuck? Bread! Ah!
I don't even know. I like it straight on and snap. I love the flash. Oh, that's sumo style. Come on, Reese, one more.
Fuck, that bicep. You know what I'm talking about, yeah, Ricky? Like, what the fuck? Alright, guys. So we got the ZBG apprentice, 2 of them. They're currently washing the wheels.
Yeah, boy. Saw that.
Yep. So after they wash the wheels, we can officially start plastic dipping them. Wow, look how dirty his wheels are. Look at all the black marks.
Looks like chocolate.
Damn. Hey, hopefully the plastic dip cover these.
That's what I mean.
I think I will do because it's not too deep.
Yeah.
If it was deeper, then
Because I remember you saying like we might have to sand it, but I couldn't.
yeah. Nah, I think only if we paint it
Oh yeah.
to get that perfect finish. But it's plastic dip, and it molds anyway, so it should cover it. It's not deep. Oh, look at that ass, bro. I want to double tap it.
Unlike.
Yeah, we don't send any plastic dip videos.
Stick paint on the next coat.
Alright guys, so we have now put about 2 coats of plastic dip on. As you can see, it's starting to get a bit more black. I've already done a video on this, and you guys probably already know how to plastic dip, so I'm going to put the camera down and try and get some shots with the Sony A6500. You know, the boys are washing the car out there, so you know, I'll get some shots of them, and then I'll probably try and get some shots of them spraying the wheels as well.
And we're gonna get some shots of Hayden juggling my nuts.
Yeah. GA, fuck off.
Alright guys, as you can see right here, the wheels are all matte black, and in my opinion, it's looking 100 times way better. Damn. And remember at the start how we showed you the scratch marks? You can barely see it anymore. Or I can't even notice it anymore. I'm pretty sure the plastic like sucked it in or molded itself in and you can't even see anymore. So the last coat is done. We're just now waiting for it to dry, about half an hour before we can actually like touch it. So once that's dry, we put it on the car and then we can start the back ones. Oh, look at that. Hayden and Delay did a sick ass job. Fuck. I say G, the boys kicked the ball. Oh shit, oh. Look at that guy there, mate. Oh, you did it.
Oh damn, man.
Oh damn.
Oh man.
Wow, look at that lineup we got, huh? Wow. Jimmy's DC5, Delays S2K, mine's 8.6, and fucking Anouk's Rexy. Fuck. And Finn's POLO GTI. Damn. Oh. 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 Wait, what? Wait, what? Shit! Damn! Damn!
Shit.
Damn! What the heck?
I use that as moisturizer.
Yeah? Oh, for your hands, yeah?
Yeah.
For your
Makes it like
soft.
soft
Is that how
as a
your hands
baby
are so
bottom.
soft?
Yeah.
Fuck! Oh, it smells good!
Sometimes. Yeah, sometimes.
Shit! It's
good.
Smells good as too! Jimmy, I'm fucking talking to you. Jimmy, yeah? I'm fucking talking to you.
Hey, can you blow me? I'm glowing now, bro.
Oh, you got that Asian glue.
Oh, look.
He looks so
white.
tan, bro.
I got the tan chicks died for.
Fuck, say G. One's driving S2K, man. I think he wants to buy it. Oh yeah, guys, comment down below if S2K suits mine or not. It's for sale, you know. So, man, if you're watching this and you want to buy it, just slide in my DMs. It's for sale, you know. I'll throw in the cold air intake with that. It's not installed at the moment, but I'll chuck it in for you guys.
How much?
Huh?
How much?
Slide in the DM.
Like how much? Let everyone know.
Slide in the DM.
Where is this guy, man?
12K.
I don't know, bro.
Oh, he wasn't listening.
You speak English, proper English, fluent as fuck.
Yeah.
This guy I don't understand.
Jimmy, 12 grand.
Yeah. For the wheels.
Oh yeah, for the wheels. Hey. Shit, fuck the SDK looks nice.
Damn.
Fuck, oh, your SDK fucking looks nice, bro.
Shanks.
I thought you mean a few more laps, sorry? Give me a few more laps. What happened?
I think he got scared, man.
You got scared.
It's loud, huh?
Yeah. Alright guys, after a long day, hey, where we going, bro?
We're gonna go to
Our usual spot.
Cha-cha.
We're gonna get,
Wow.
I don't know, milk.
We're gonna get some milk tea. Although it's really hot, so I think I'm gonna go for something fruity. Something fruity. Shit. Alright guys, we just got in the car, yeah? And you wanna see something? I discovered something.
What is it?
Jimmy, yeah? Jimmy, what the heck, Jimmy?
Fucking hell,
Jimmy, man.
I heard like there was a rumor around town, yeah, that Kimmy, every time someone says Jimmy, he'll skull one. Jimmy!
Jimmy!
Take it.
I didn't hear you.
Pop the music louder.
Y'all have this
Fucking chop. Wait,
DC5 on the list for
a Polo chop, a R34, just see him.
Yeah.
Not naming anyone though.
Not naming anyone.
Yeah, not naming. And a Mazda just chopped the motherfucking DC5 hack. No naming, no naming.
One to Jimmy's list, yeah. One to Jimmy's list. Alright guys, so the wheels are finally being pulled back on. As you can see, dlays GTI is basically all black now. Fuck. Jimmy's just putting the other side on and it's done. I'll show you guys once the car's fully dropped on the floor. Alright guys, so I said I was going to show dlays car, but it is officially too dark, so I'll probably show you guys next time
Take too long.
or when the sun's out. But right
We
now,
just released it a
Haydens
little
car's
bit.
on the jack and we're about to drop it 1 inch.
Should we mark it?
His sock's so tight. My sock's so tight. It's blocking my blood circulation.
Wait, why you dressed like a tennis player? Who you playing, bro?
I'm playing. Oh, remember the last video?
Yeah.
I bet what's his name?
Roger David.
No, that's me.
No, you were Roger Federer.
No, I was versing Roger Federer. My name is Roger David.
No, you were Roger Federer.
No, I was Roger David and I was versing Roger Federer.
When I edit the video, you were Roger Federer.
No, I know who I am.
Australian Open.
Yeah, Australian Open. See me there? I'm gonna verse Roger David. My name is Roger Federer. And yeah, see me there. I'm Roger David and I'm versing Roger Federer.
No, you were Roger Federer.
No, I'm Roger David.
No, first thing, did you win last week?
Hell yeah. Bro, I bet his ass. I clapped him like 2-0.
But this ain't like soccer.
Raise the bottom to the height you want. Yeah.
Wait, what? CG delays working on this. CG.
We're teaching delays.
Wow, this guy, back in the days, he didn't touch anything, but now, hands on, bro.
I'm the man. But it's rusty.
Ooh.
We're doing finger test.
Yeah, fingertips.
So we can try one finger. Yeah, you can. 2 fingers is too tight, you know.
Too tight, man.
But like this one, you know, you can like
Shit.
fit your whole hand in it, you know.
I think that one's higher, Guys, wow, look at that. He's got heaps of camera now. I don't know if you can see it. There's his fenders. And then the wheels on an angle. Wow. What a camera kind of guy. Alright guys, so I still got a whisper here. It's like actually late now. It's like 12:30. But Haydens' car is now officially done. And wow, look at this. Not sure how well you guys can see it. But he closed the wheel gap there even more. And at the back as well. So last look before we close the garage and we knock off. Let us know in the comments down below if you guys like this new ride height or nah. Shit.
Tomorrow.
Alright guys, so new day today. We are at DJ's house and you guys ready? There's more light now and you can officially see the plastic dip wheels. Wow. Damn. What do you guys reckon, huh? First thing you already noticed is that the red brake calipers stick out way more than before, as the black and red combo is just a brilliant combo, huh?
I told my mum I wanted a black Lamborghini. She got me a white one.
Yeah, shit. Look at that came out silky smooth, but well, I think this could be one of the best jobs I've seen.
I tell you what,
Like, cause like it's smooth.
because I did it. Fucking hell, bro.
It was our third attempt, that's why.
Yeah. Actually, the first one, and then from there it just got better and better.
It
Yeah.
was mine's, then Elvis's.
Yeah. Oh, that. Elvis's are fucked up. I sprayed too much and it ran. Yeah. But like, wow, look at that, silky smooth. Even on the rears as well. Ooh, 100 times, way better. Oh yeah, what do you guys think? Cause we didn't use the glossifier, but it's still looking pretty sick. Like, I swear, we didn't use the glossifier because I swear that shit doesn't even work. Like, it works for like the first few weeks or when you first spray it, but then like afterwards it just goes dirty anyways. So that's why I said I don't think there was a point getting the glossifier, but it still turned out really good, eh? But anyways, the day was successful. It was a raw as vlog. We lowered Hayden's car by an inch, and you know it's pretty low now. He can barely get over speed bumps. I think he's scraping on leaves now. And Delay's rims were successful. Look at that. He's like full cream pie over it. But it's 100 times way better, and they did it pretty quick. And
It's like fucking 8 hours, bro.
last look at Delay's car before we end the video. Make sure to let us know below what you guys think. Black on black, or do you prefer the original silver and black? So yep, that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure to
Give us a fat like PHAT. I fucking killed that one. I fucking killed it.
oh yeah.
Oh, was that it?
That was okay.
Comment and subscribe. Later.
Hey, the front's slower than the back, eh?
Yeah.
Face down, ass up. That's how I like.
Yeah.
That's how I like donkey, bruh.